Hello kids, welcome to my channel SRK Tuition Tutorial. Today we will discuss the story of a greedy dog. So kids, let's start. Once there was a dog. He was very hungry. He was roaming here and there in search of food. He reached a butcher's shop. He picked up a bone of meat and came out of the shop. He went to a river bank. While crossing to the river, he saw his own shadow in the river. He thought it to be another dog and started barking. The bone fell into the river and he became very sad. Moral of the story: don't be greedy. So kids, if you like my video, then kindly subscribe and share. Thanks for watching my videos.